Good morning, children. In our English class today, we will do English grammar. So, I want you to open up page number 75, lesson number 19, articles. Yes, articles is not a new topic to you. You've done this in the previous classes, and we'll revise the use of articles first, and then we will also learn where articles are not used. Now you know children, an article is a word that comes before a noun. Noun के पहले लगते हैं articles, जैसे the teacher, a book, an apple. You're aware of this, and you're also aware that there are two types of articles: indefinite article, definite article. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used before singular nouns that can be counted. Whereas the is the definite article, which is used with unique things. When we talk about something for the second or third time, then we use the, and many other nouns which we will discuss. First understand indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are used, is used before the consonant sound nouns like a man, a lamp, a cat. Whereas an is used before the words which begin with a vowel sound like an apple, an eraser, an umbrella. A should agree with the first sound in the adjective. Sometimes it can be an adjective also with the noun. उसके पहले भी हम a या an उसी हिसाब से लगाएंगे जैसे कि हम नाउन के आगे लगाते हैं. An 80-year-old man, a golden necklace, a pretty girl. तो golden is an adjective for necklace, but हम a यही सोच के लगाएंगे whether it is a consonant sound या vowel sound. Pretty girl में pretty consonant sound है, so a. Whereas 80-year-old man में 80, a. It's a vowel sound, so an. Likewise, we use a before words, letters, numbers that sound like they begin with consonant, even if the first letter is a vowel. जैसे कि a euro, a university. University में sound क्या है? University में sound consonant का है. U का sound नहीं है. U का sound तो a होता है ना, तो वो नहीं है. It's a consonant sound, that's why we use a before university. One. Now use an before words या letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. जैसे an R, an F, an 8. All these have the sound of vowels, जबकि ये vowel से शुरू नहीं हो रहे हैं. It starts with R, starts with H, but we use an before it. So this was just a revision. Now let's understand definite article the. The we use when we are using the noun for the second time. Like in this sentence, I saw a man and a dog. The man was old. In the second sentence, man is repeated. We are talking of the same man in the first sentence. So this time it is a specific noun. The या specific things के लिए यूज़ होता है the, जैसे particular चीज़ जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that particular garden, those particular children, the children are in the garden. Only one thing, that means for unique things we use the, जैसे the moon, the earth, the Himalayas, the Nile, all the rivers, mountains, monuments, सब एक हैं, unique हैं. So उनके लिए भी the use होता है. The moon looks beautiful today. Common places के लिए भी the use होता है. We are going to the park. We are going to the market. Superlatives, adjective जैसे good, better, best. उसमें जो best है superlative adjective, उसके लिए भी हम द यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज उससे ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव को हम नहीं बोल सकते. द मोस्ट, द बेस्ट. ही इज़ द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास. म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए भी हम द यूज़ करते हैं. माई डॉटर प्लेज द वायलिन. न्यूज़पेपर्स के लिए द नेम ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. When we do our exercise, we will revise this concept and understand it better. Now there are some nouns which do not use articles, which don't need articles. Like, let's say the first example, I don't like children. Children in general we are talking about, so we don't need an article in this. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have lunch? We again don't need a or an or the before the breakfast. Years and months के लिए भी we don't need an article. 2005 was a great year. 2020 is going as a tough year. TV, there is a good film on TV. We don't use article again. Languages, school, subjects जैसे English, हिंदी, इन सब के लिए भी हम the या अ यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. He doesn't speak English. I study biology. We went to the theatre last week. Next या last किसी चीज़ के लिए उसमें भी हम article is not required. Now we will do the exercise tomorrow, but today revise this concept, watch this again, repeat it twice till you understand the concept, and also I'm sending you a small little video on articles to help you revise your concept.